Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we want to discuss about the block and compound statements, and basically this is also related to if and else statements. We said before this that for every if and else statement we need to include braces, and this braces shows the block for that if or else statement. So if, for example, we have this if statement, grade is greater than or equal to 90, then we said that we always need to include this braces for this if statement so that we show that this is the block of code that is going to be executed if this statement is true. And basically the same thing for else. So we have the block of code for else statement from here to here. So this is how we indicated the block for the if and else statements. Now, compound statements means that inside of this block of code for the if statement, we can have multiple lines of code. So 1, 2, 3, and as many lines as we want. So many statements we can include for this block of code, and the same way for else as well, we can have many statements in here. But what if we do not include this braces? So if we have an if statement, here we have a condition, and we do not include the braces. And here we have else, and we don't have the braces. So in this situation, we cannot have a block of code for this if statement, and we cannot have compound statements or multiple statements. In this situation, we only need to have one statement in here for if and one statement here on else. And this is only possible, only one statement is possible because we didn't use the braces. So that's why only this one statement will be included inside of if and one statement inside of else. If we want more than one statement, then we have to include the braces in here. So that's it. Let's go and see an example on my laptop. So we talked about the block of code for an if statement and the need to have braces, and now let's go and see an example. Maybe I want to create the variable integer grade is equal to 85, and if grade is greater than or equal to 60, we're gonna say that okay, we're gonna say that this student has passed, and we also want to include a congratulations for this student as well. So congratulations as well. So now, because this student has a grade greater than 60, it is 85, let's go and execute. And you can see passed and congratulations. But because this is a compound statement, that means that it's more than one statement. We have this congratulation and we have this passed. That's why we needed this braces. So if I remove these braces in here and in here, then basically this printf statement will be included for this if statement, but the next one is not going to be included, is not going to be considered to be within the if statement. So basically, if I show it somehow with the indentation, then this printf will be outside of the printf. So when the if is being checked, grade is greater than 60, this printf is inside of if, and this printf is outside of if. Now let's go and maybe run this program, but before that we want to make 55. So our grade is less than 60. We're supposed to have not passed. You see? past is not being printed because it was inside of F. So the F statement was checked. 55 is less than 60, so that's why past was not printed. But congratulations still printed because this was not considered inside of F, and that's why we still have the congratulations spot. And that's it. I hope this makes sense to you, and I hope to see you in the coming episodes.